I'm sorry, guys. I don't know you can hear me or not. It was like a little spark, something like that, and just I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm sorry for that. Okay, the last stream, I maybe I will remove it or I will keep it. But oh man, just a little load shedding. Okay, market just electricity has gone, come back again, and everything has disconnected. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. Ah, good sounds, brother. Video is also good. Thank you, Ryan. I'm gonna close it. Okay, so I just closed it. Where I was, I really forgot, and I just forgot. Okay, so I don't remember. Today is the continuation of the expansion. That's all I remember. Market went higher, market structure shift, first variable gap. That was, should be the entry toward the sell side liquidity. I'm bearish today because the continuation of the expansion, the narrative. I told that. I tweeted that. Okay. Uh, look over here. Though I'm thinking bullish, but don't forget about the narrative. After watching the London move, narrative is knocking my head severely. Okay, Thursday is equal continuation of Wednesday expansion. So if you see the Wednesday over there, so this is the Wednesday. You can see it expanded toward the sell side liquidity from the beginning. Let me show you from the beginning. Okay, and I'm gonna remove all of this thing because I believe that you don't need it anymore. So from 15-minute chart, you can see this is the consolidation or the accumulation around the Monday. Then market went higher. This is called the manipulation. After the manipulation, market went higher. Just take the liquidity, boom, went lower. Like retrace, boom. This is the continuation. I mean, sorry, expansion. Today, Thursday, went higher. Take the liquidity, boom, it will retrace, boom, something like that. Okay, so yeah, my target was here for this week, but yeah, market didn't reach over here. Maybe I'm wrong, but if you see, I was just wrong for one day. Okay, for my direction, so I was bearish, but at the same time I told you that this can be the manipulation. So Monday, Tuesday is the manipulation day. If really market would love to go lower, it should go higher in Tuesday. And finally, when market, I got something here, I took buy because I was pretty much confident that no, market is not going to fall anymore. That's all. Okay. Now about this BPR area, I believe that it's going to be balanced now. Yesterday we had the unfilled area, we had some buy side inefficiency which has filled over there. Trade the constant cosment not perfectly, so I will keep it. Okay, for later use maybe. Okay, I have to see it from hourly chart. Yeah, it just closed little above the constant encroachment. I will keep it. Okay, I will keep it. Is it balanced? No, it's not balanced. This BPR is also not balanced yet. Okay, so yeah, let's see if this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Initially that's my target. So over here, this sell side liquidity is my target initially, and I would love to see market will take that sell side liquidity and it will keep going lower through this new week opening gap. That's all. Okay, like you put three balls there, Ryan. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, and I really forgot what I was talking. Okay, I was thinking like I will tell something new, but I forgot. And yeah, anybody has any question? Now is the time to read your question. I mean, I don't have anything to do before 9:30, so I will wait until 9:30 and then I will decide. Again, guys, this is paper money. I have done my real money trade over here. If you just not that on. Where was that? I guess little above. Okay, here this entry is for my real money entry. This one is also real money entry. Okay, so I took two entry. This is the final result of my money. I know $1,000 is not huge for because you can see now these days people are getting 25,000, 10,000, 50,000, something like that. Comparing with them, $1,000 is nothing, but it's okay for me. Okay, I mean it's cool. It's cool for me. So I don't want to put money over there anymore. So that's why I am in real. I mean in my paper money. But don't think that I'm not serious when I'm just trading through my paper money. Don't think say like that way. Okay. Awesome trade today, Wizard. Only today, Peter. What about the last 3 days, man? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What about them? You are going to drop some new day opening cap gems. Oh, Tim, yeah, absolutely. Thank you, man, for reminding me that. Look at this new day opening gap. It closed here, then opened here. Okay, just remember this: closed and open. After opening, market went lower. Now look over here. It closed there. It opened here. After opening below, market went higher. Now, if you look for sell, what it is telling you, where it opened higher. After opening there, what it was telling you, where I would love to go lower, right? I mean, this is clean, right? I opened higher, but I want to go lower. Now over here, I opened lower. I would love to go low. That's why I just went little higher. If I opened here, for example, my new day opening gap is here. After opening there, I got a bull run. The same candle I got over there. That is a sign I don't want to go lower. I would love to go higher. How can I explain that little more? Just let me check it. Okay, over here I got it. Where did it open? Here. Okay, this is not new day opening gap, but think like that way. New day opening gap. Okay, where did it closed? Here. Where did it open? Here. After opening, where did it go? Upper, right? Go upper. It opened high, went higher. Initially, what do you think where market is going? Now guys, this is just my another kind of project. Okay, I was also working with that project. Don't take it seriously. I am just giving you 3 days one after another to tell you how you will predict the run for that day. Market closed here, opened higher. After opening, what is the first candle? Bull candle. What is the sign? I opened higher. My opening, I mean, after opening, just started to go high. What does it mean? I would love to go higher. Now, here I don't have anything. Here, I closed there. I opened higher. But after opening higher, I went lower. What does it mean? I don't want to go high. I would love to fall. Look over here. I closed there. Sorry, I closed there. I opened here below. Just went lower. If it keep going lower, I mean, if you are looking for low, it should give you some retracement. I mean, do you understand what did I mean to say? I don't know, is it complicated or not, but how can I make it more simple? Because of my English, I'm not going to find out the exact sentence. Okay, guys, just ask me the question, then it will be easier for me to explain this thing. Okay, just ask me the question. What is your confusion? Just ask me the question. That's it for me being too nice. It's making me dizzy. Okay, what happened, guys? It is clear, brother. Oh, okay. Thank you, Ryan. I actually I don't find out the English word over here how to explain this, but I hope that if you okay, this is not permanent. I'm still working with this. Just try to look. I mean, this thing will work or if and only if there is a gap more than 10 handle, more than 10 handle. Okay. I mean, okay. I will try one more time. Let's see. It closed here. Now opened higher, not lower. After opened higher, it went higher. I opened higher. The first candle from 15-minute chart went higher. Sign that market will go higher. It can retrace. This thing can happen, but eventually market will go higher. It closed there, opened higher. After opening higher, I didn't go higher. So when I didn't go higher, that means instead of that I went lower. The first candle I went lower. That means I would love to go lower. It closed there. Now I didn't open higher. Okay, I opened lower. I just opened lower. If I get lower run, I mean some kind of lower run, that is over confirmed, still I got this higher run. That doesn't mean I'm going contrast. How can I explain that one? Oh man, just look over here. Okay, I just opened lower. I didn't want to go high. I just give you a sign over here to show you that I love to go lower by this way. Okay, the opening. At the same time, just look at the opening gap over here, the huge gap. That means I spend more time over here. I shouldn't spend more time above here. I should have gone lower. But when I have spent more time over here and I'm still over here, so I'm gonna use the new day opening gap, my opening much more lower as far as I can. I'm going to open over there. So I will try to explain this, but I'm also not sure about this. All I'm just observing. So guys, I don't need to teach you everything. Something I can just explain and you can do by yourself. Okay, I'm just one man army. Okay, I can't I can't. Oh man, I don't know what to say. uh okay, lol Peter Henry. Okay, clear bro, understood brother. Okay, thank you Gupta, Peter, Ryan, thank you man. I mean, teamed, thank you. You think, okay, we will see. Okay, later we will see another opening. If we get another opening, I will explain it again over there. Okay, now if you see market is going higher, maybe it came until that area. What do you think? Market is reversing? I don't think so like that way. Just remember Wednesday and Thursday, how this game play in Wednesday and Thursday. First, market went higher, went lower, retracement, lower, retracement, lower. This is from 15-minute chart. Now from 1-minute chart, how this game will play. Market, this is Wednesday, okay? Then closed over there. Now this is Thursday. The Thursday has started, okay? Just take the high, boom. This is from 1-minute chart. Take the high, liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Went higher, deep retracement, deep market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. This is the game market play in Wednesday and Thursday. Always just wait for 1-minute liquidity taken, then expansion. Okay, so this is, we are already in 9:30. I would love to see what is going to happen over there. So this is 9:30 candle. Without taking liquidity, I'm not interested to take sell. Okay, it has to take the liquidity, and I am not interested to make the gap as well. It's a huge gap. I don't need to mark that gap. Brother, market has taken the liquidity. Market is going higher. Are you going to take buy? No, I'm not interested to take buy. Remember yesterday I told that if this fair value gap is broken, I'll be bearish. So initially I was bearish because it was a very nice run, but by using the news, market come back again. Where? Above this BPR area. Now it is going to break this BPR area. Market will tap to that BPR, will go higher. What is my target? That volume balance at least. Okay, I was targeting this buy sell liquidity, but because of the volatility or this type of bullshit run, I'm just thinking about this volume balance. That's all. Okay, I don't need it to reach over there. That's my direction, just that's all. Can I take a sell over there? Highly risky, but yeah, you can. If it can make a fair value gap, you can take a sell over there. But it's highly risky because just 9:30 opened, okay, the 9:30 candle, then market started. If there is a fair value gap, let me check. Oh no, fair value gap. I would love to see market is not going higher than the 50% of that week. Market should not go above the 50% of that week. So over here, I'm not taking this entry, so please, something like this. I will cover it little higher here. News 10 a.m. warning. Thank you, brother. I forgot that this entry is not valid. If there is a news around 10, then it's not valid. It's not valid at all. But I will just feel the market, okay? I would love to feel the market. This is not any setup, nothing. Just look over here. Though you have the market structure shift, but you don't have any fair value gap, right? So when you don't have any fair value gap, there is no entry. So please don't take entry, okay? If I see something, I will push my button. Right now, I need to feel the market, and I'm unable to push my button to feel the button. I mean, feel the market. So I am gonna use this one, feel the market. If I feel good, it is reacting instantly or immediately, I'll be interested to take sell later, okay? And if you remember, I just closed my trade over there because I didn't want to keep an eye over there. But yeah, my stop loss was just above here. I didn't get stopped out. That was my target, if you remember. Okay, so when it will target, I mean, hit that sell side liquidity, I'll write it down. Boom. Because this is paper money, I just closed the trade. If it was my real money, I would hold it until this extreme liquidity. As today is the expansion or the continuation of the expansion, market is coming toward that area. Okay, that is my expectation. I'm not a good guy, so I know nothing about the price action. Please don't judge me. That's my request. If you like something I am explaining, stay with me. If you don't like, just leave me alone. Okay, I don't need to be judged by all of you guys, any of you guys. I love the way I trade. I explain that on. I don't care. Okay, over here, I love precision. I took sell there. I got stopped out here, just for 5 handle because of the volatility. Just for 5 handle, I got stopped out. I was in my phone. I have uploaded that to my Twitter. That entry. I mean, over here you can see this is that entry. Okay, because of the timing. Look over here. That was the entry, and I told that rest I will explain to my live. So I even didn't wait to take my partial. I got stopped out here. I took re-entry. I believe my bias. I believe my direction. I believe my analysis, and I believe everything I get. So, but brother, you told that market is going higher. I told that at the same time. I told don't forget about the narrative. Okay. I told that because I saw market closed below this fair value gap. That was the last fair value gap. It closed below that. But after using the news when market went higher, I'm pretty much confident that market is going higher. Are you going to change it? I will change it if market go above this new day opening up. Then I will change it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna change it. Guys, near about 143 people are watching. I got 24 likes. I am not talking a shit, not even a word. If you don't give me the likes. Now, if it hits, you will say, brother, you are wrong. Okay, I told you that. There is no setup. I need to feel the market. I have no other way without this to feel the market. I have to feel the market because I'm not a genie. Okay, I don't know what is going to happen. So I have to feel the market. If you think about this, I have outlined a lot of things over here in my Twitter. So just follow me in my Twitter or just join me on my Twitter. You will get a lot of entries, everything over there. Okay, so okay, it's broken. Everything is broken over here. Okay, so I would love to see market will go higher first, take some buy side liquidity, then it will go toward that sell side liquidity. If it happens, that would be a better opportunity to take sell. Now we have a news around 10, no entry is valid. until 10. No entry is valid. Okay, Titu, can you do a more detailed video on order blocks with multiple example and explanation as to why it's an order block? The video I have uploaded, brother, it is the same thing. Look over here. This is the same concept. I took that entry depending on that order block. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap, market went lower. This is the highest up close body close candle. This is my order block. So I took sell to that one. Because of the volatility, my entry is over there. Okay, but I push my button when it tapped to that order block. I pushed my button over there. Now if you believe me or not, it's up to you. This is the same rule. This is my order block. Market went lower. After trading the order block, I always look for an area that should be unfilled. If it is filled, then I will start to look for breaker block. If it is filled by body, then I will start to look for breaker block. Okay, so I mean, I don't know what else I have to explain about the order block, brother. I believe it's clear over there in my order block video. I mean, you have to tell me what I have to explain, because I explained everything over there. Still, guys, I even didn't get 50 likes. Okay, 150 people are watching. I didn't even get 50 likes, and it's unfair. It's really unfair. Okay, trying to curse, lol. What was that, man? Oh, trying to curse. Really, people just hit the likes. Okay, Titu, back in beast mode. Thanks for that penguin FX. By the way, guys, whoever joined to my psychological challenge, brother, we are going to start the psychological challenge uh, in from Monday. Okay. At the same time, I would love to show you how you will just give me the screenshot. Okay, in the screenshot area. For example, you took that entry. Okay, just forget about this entry. Just you took that entry. So what did you see? You see market has taken the buy side liquidity over there. You have to do it like this way. Buy side liquidity has taken. I'm just explaining this one. It's up to you. Then maybe that was your market structure shift, whatever something. Then you take the entry over there. So okay, not that one. I believe that I would love to explain this one. Just forget about this one. I'm gonna explain this one. Okay, so market has taken some liquidity here, so you have to mark it liquidity taken. Then market, whatever setup is you are going to take, you have to explain like this way. Okay, maybe you take this entry, you closed over there, you will just market structure shift MSS, and if you take a partial, then write it down that I took partial over there, something like this. Partial, partial, after taking this entry. Okay, after taking this entry, partial, and then you don't need the sell. You at the same time you have to mark the liquidity level why you took that entry, because without liquidity no entry is valid. So you have to mark, maybe you saw this is your liquidity. Okay, just for example, I'm just giving you the example. So you saw this is your liquidity, there should be the buy side liquidity. Now you have to take a screenshot over here. This screenshot you will take. Okay, then maybe you take another entry, maybe that is a losing trade, maybe, because if you are profitable by one trade, you are not going to allow to take another trade. So if, just think this is your losing trade, then you take another trade around that area. So same thing, you will mark market liquidity taken, market structure shift, fair value gap, you took that entry, maybe this is your sell side liquidity, and you will take another screenshot over here. Then you will go to that Discord area, to the screenshot area, then you will keep these two screenshot. Okay, just entry screenshot all together and upload it. Okay, so two screenshot, not differently, together. If you take two entry at the end of the day after 4 p.m. New York local time, you will upload your setup or entry over there. I have to journal them, so please make it clear, I mean make it simple. Okay, two screenshot, if you take two entry, you will take two screenshot, you will upload them all together, and then you will go to this area, account history, and then you will take another screenshot whole screen, not just this entry or that entry. No, the whole screen. I would love to see the whole screen. You will take the another screenshot and you will put that screenshot after. If it is possible to uh, upload three of them all together, that's the best option. Okay, that's the best option. Maybe you take one entry, just one entry. You will take the screenshot of this entry and you will go over here and you will take the screenshot of this entry, then you will upload two of this photo all together in the screenshot area. Okay, at the same time you are not allowed to write anything in that area. Whatever you would love to talk, you will discuss in the discussion area. You can discuss with each other, there is nothing wrong. I'm just waiting for the 10 a.m. news. Okay, I have nothing to do. First, if it went higher, take some buy side liquidity, that would be better. If it closed this one, then I will start to look for a breaker block. Okay, that's all I'm just waiting for. So at the same time, brother, if you just with me, if you are with me to that psychological challenge discord area, you will just send the screenshot like that way. Okay, it will be easier for me to track all of your screenshot, because I thought that I will add 10 people only, but still there is little more people, so it will be difficult for me to track all of you guys. So please do that. Okay, don't break that rule and don't even write a word in that area, in that screenshot area. Okay, your setups area, whatever you want to tell, just go to discuss area and discuss over there. I want you, all of you, whoever is there, to discuss among you guys. If you find anything, you should discuss. For example, I'm doing only the morning session. Am I looking for buy? Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. Maybe this is the breakaway gap. This is going to be the entry fair value gap. Market will tap to that entry fair value gap, it will go higher. Am I looking for buy? Absolutely not. Why? Because I know the narrative. Market is going to take the buy side liquidity. How do I know it's market structure shift or the liquidity taken? This is how you will know. If you know the narrative, this is going to be easier for you to understand, is it liquidity taken or the market structure shift. Okay, but if I'm wrong, maybe this is not liquidity taken, this is actually the market structure shift. Market is going higher, maybe toward that buy side liquid or something like that. I don't know how far it can reach. I even don't care actually, but whatever. If it would love to go higher, what I'm going to lose? I'm just going to miss a trade, that's all. I'm just going to miss a trade, nothing else. But I'm not interested to take buy, as I know the narrative. So all I'm seeing this, what happened over here, all I'm seeing this like that way. Let me show you. Market went lower, went retracement, went higher, then here, here, liquidity taken. Something like this. Can it reach until that area? Absolutely it can. This is the unfilled area. If it reach over there, I will start to look for breaker. Bearish breaker, not bullish breaker. But brother, it's a huge run. Maybe from here to here. 40 handle. Are you not interested to take that 40 handle? No, I'm not interested. Because I don't know which liquidity market is going to take. This liquidity or that liquidity. I don't know. Market can just fall after taking that liquidity. Maybe market will take that liquidity. Maybe market will take that liquidity. Even it can take that liquidity as well. I don't know which one is going to be taken. But if it started to go lower, I have the sell liquidity here. That is obvious for me. So I'm not interested to take buy the way I told. I'm not interested to take buy. Okay. Before 10:20, I'm not buying. Congratulations, brother. Agree, sir, but I still can't analyze if MSS or narrative. What is that, brother? Ciso? Nvidia is pushing market. Nvidia, today we have Nvidia. We have that type of news as well today. Then it's gonna be very difficult for me. Yes, I watch everything, brother. Okay, Dio, I think you gave me an answer. I don't know. Okay, after telling that, I got some likes. Thank you, guys. At least I get some 69 likes. Still, it's little like, okay. MSFT and Microsoft earnings today. Oh man. What time, Jen? or Caesar, what time, brother? Yesterday it was Meta and sold a lot. It's gonna fall more than today. All the day market will stay over here around this area. Then by using that news, boom, it will fall again, I believe. By the way, this is the risk disclaimer. So please don't file a case against me if you take a loss. Okay, I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not gonna give you that. Okay, no earnings today. Meet Patel T2 after the bill. Okay, now I'm confused. Meet Patel is telling that today we have no earnings. I don't sir after 4 I guess. Okay, that's the confusing thing. But yeah, I will stay with my narrative. We will see if it works. Oh brother, I'm talking to my brother Sizo. Oh okay, Dio. Thank you, brother. I get confused because I keep an eye on my monitor and another eye to the chat box. It's gonna be little difficult for me. By the way, guys, I am very near to 4500. So if you want to make it 4500, I have no complaint. Okay. So 4500 a round figure. If you want, you can, brother, you can. Okay. No force, but yeah, you can. Where is Peter? Peter, did you take any entry, brother? Oh, by the way, guys, if I missed any of you about that psychological challenge, who has given me the screenshot and I didn't invite him, just give me a message to my Twitter, okay? If I missed anyone. Okay, we have earnings, sir. Okay, we are waiting until after 10. They can push our button, so push the like button. Yeah, push the like button. Peter, no entry. Congratulations, brother. Met today 3500, however, working on my combined account now. The school, man, congratulations for that huge profit, man. I'm so below than you. I just got 1000. I was just laughing, man. We don't start until Monday, right? No, yeah, you are going to start from Monday, and in Saturday or Sunday, I will go live in my Discord over there. Okay, and that is mine. That is not my Discord. One of my brother music live. If you get him over there, he actually made that Discord group for me. I don't know anything about them. That thing. I'm a noob. Okay, outside of my chart, I'm noob. I know nothing about this YouTube. I see that you can see I have near about 5,500 subscriber. Still, my highest view is near about $4,000, 4,000 views. Okay, but I have seen that some people who has 1,000 subscriber, 300 subscriber, 500 subscriber, but their views are near about 11,000, 15,000. I don't know why, but maybe my content are not good enough. That's why I'm not getting huge views or something. And I don't know anything about the marketing or something, anything. I'm really a noob, but it is what it is. I'm growing slowly. I'm happy with that. So the way I was, the what I was telling you guys. I mean, if I missed anyone to invite who has given me the screenshot, okay. First, you have to give me the screenshot. If you didn't give me the screenshot, you are not allowed to attend over there. So if you have given me the screenshot and I missed you, because in my Twitter I get, I mean, hundred of messages now these days. It's I can be lost in all of these messages. Okay, so if I missed anyone, just remind me. Just give me another message to my Twitter. I'll check it. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting for 10 news. But if you ask me, yeah, I'm bearish. I'm bearish. Okay, I'm not bullish. Now, guys, if any of you are bullish, maybe you saw this is your setup, maybe you see this is your breaker block, though I don't think so. This is the breaker block. But if you think that market is going higher, you are looking for buy, please go for that. Just don't blame me that, brother, you told market is going lower, so I didn't take that buy. I would take that huge profit. I missed it for you. So please don't tell me that. If you are looking for buy, you can go for that. I'm not looking for buy. So I will let everything go. Even if I'm wrong the whole day, I don't get any chance to take entry. I am not interested to take entry then. But if I get my directional run, then I will go for the trade. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Let me check what happened in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes till now, I have nothing. Just tap to this daily last travel gap. And yeah, till now I have nothing from 15 minute chart. I believe that this is going to be the balanced price range. Let's see. Okay, we will decide after the news. We have 8 minutes left for the news. Hmm. In 9 minutes I will be driving, brother Tito. I will see all of you later on my way home. Be safe. I mean, brother, be safe. Carefully drive, and don't use your phone or any other device while you are driving. Okay, brother. Have a safe journey, man. Jackie, make something special to the members and invite them, even if they didn't send screenshot. Jackie, make something special to the members and invite them. Uh, it's not fair. Okay, it's not fair because some of you may be unable to take the membership. So it's not fair. I mean, membership, if you want to take, you can take. If you don't want, you don't need to take that one. It's up to you. Okay, all up to you. But I can't make something special for only the member. I will never do that. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I'm not going to do that, Jack. But thanks for that advice, brother. Before news, we have nothing to do. 6 minutes left. Guys, I would love to poll because I want to see how many people's what you are thinking. So let me poll it. Okay. And please try to engage to that poll. Okay, I need to know that. Okay, there is the poll. Please just try to join over there. Okay, I would love to see what is your thinking. That's all. Whoever is thinking that market will go higher and you took buy, you can take buy, but I'm not interested and I don't believe that market will go higher. That's my belief. I would love to see market will fall. Okay, that's my belief. So I will only look for sell, no buy. If anyone want to take buy, please go for that. Please go for that. Okay, I am not telling you not to do anything, but if you really would love to be profitable for longer term, please don't trade right now. Please don't trade right now. Highly risky. Just before the news, if you trade, that's called gambling. A perfect gambling. Please don't gamble. Okay. There is the poll. Please join to that poll. I can see some people actually joined. 49 votes. That's cool. It's called gambling, brother. Absolutely, it's called gambling because I don't know by using the news candle how far it will reach. I don't know. Nobody knows that. So it's called gambling. Ahmed Mustafa, I took buy. Okay, no problem. 65 people voted, 67% are short, 34% are for long. We'll see. Because of the news, there can be a huge volatility, huge volatility. So why did you push your button then? I don't know why I push my button, but I put my stop loss in a very bad area, just to the rejection block. It's okay. If I get stopped out, I'll be stopped out. Still 23 handle. Big pressure for buy. Go for buy. Don't trade right now. Trade after the news. Don't trade right now. Trade after the news. You will see the volatility, man, around 10. Okay, so don't trade. Don't trade. Book map cleared. Yosul, what do you mean by book map cleared? So I guess this is the news candle. Let's see. Are you an ICT charter member? I was. Not now. I was. Expand lower, man. Why there is no volatility? There should be some volatility. More volatility. Want to see a body close below that line. And this is my order block. Not only that line, but also that line. Okay. Both of the line, I mean the space, okay, between these two lines, the whole space is the order block space. The whole space over there is the order block. Diosul, I was as well 2016 membership. Congratulations, brother. Then teach us something, brother Dio. Really would love to learn something from you, to be honest. I always love to learn something, but if it's not against ICT, then I'll be interested. If it is against ICT, I'm not interested. It's not good at all. Market just go below that line, and body closed here. I don't want to see that. All I want to see a body close below that line, because it can be the liquidity sweep, but I don't want to see the liquidity sweep. Okay, I don't want to see that. I want to see it will go and close below that line. If it happens, then cool. If it doesn't happen, not good. When it has traded that area, that order block, I don't need the lower one. By the way, I will put my stop loss little below here. বারে বারে করেছ This is my problem. I trail my stop loss, so I trail it. Maybe it will punish me, but I'm okay. But I minimized my loss. Minimize. I love to do that. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. কেন? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দিদি বলো। এই তো দিদি, ভালো আছো? এই তো আছি দিদি। ওই নাই, ভাই বউটাও নাই। বউ কইতে এগুলো দিদি, এগুলো বলার জন্য আমার ফোন দিছে। আমি বুঝলাম না। হুম হুম। আচ্ছা দিদি, আমি সর্বোচ্চ চেষ্টা করব, ইনশাল্লাহ এরপরে বাকিটা আলো বলছে আর কি। আমি তো এখন দিতে পারবো না দিদি। আমি, তুমি কি মানে এসে ফোন দিছো? কিসে ফোন দিছো তুমি? ফোনে ফোন দিছো? ফোনে ফোন দিছো নাকি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে ফোন দিছো? কারণ ওর নাম্বার তো এখন তো দিতে পারবো না দিদি, আমি কাজ করি। উম কালকে দিবানি দিদি, কালকে দিনের বেলা। না দিদি। আচ্ছা দিদি। That's I love my trailing stop loss. At least I minimized my some of my losses. That's cool. Nothing worked over here. Dollar index is bullish. You can see it was bullish, so it should fall, but it is also bullish. Some kind of area where it can be the high resistance liquidity run. In my opinion, that was a perfect setup. Market structure sheet, fair value gap. It should spend lower. It should go lower. It didn't do that. I got stopped out. You wanna judge me by that once one loss you can, but yeah, still I told you that it's not a perfect setup or good setup just before the news. It's pure gambling. Am I looking for buy because market has taken some liquidity, market structure shift? I'm going to take a buy. No, I'm not going to take a buy. Still now I'm not looking for any buy. Become Meta is buying back here because Meta is buying back here. No, brother, I'm not thinking that market is going higher. It has taken one more time the liquidity. One more time it has taken the liquidity. That's all I'm seeing. The reaction of the daily last travel gap, it came to the high of that daily last travel gap. This is called the reaction, I believe. So far it's the reaction. How far it can reach until this 50-minute travel gap? If it doesn't reach over there, that's the perfect sign that market really so bearish. If it failed to reach to that 50-minute travel gap, then it's a sign that market is extremely bearish. So we will see. I mean, this small push comes from those stocks keeps rejecting from 5-minute order block. Manu, is that bullish order block or bearish order block, brother? This is all trade from today, okay? So two loss. Here is one loss, second loss. Don't think this $24. I just put my stop loss to the break even because of the commission or something. Maybe they're showing this minus $24 loss. But yeah, so far two loss I took today. This one is pure gambling, to be honest. Just before the news, any kind of entry is gambling. Before news, any entry is gambling. Nobody knows what can be the volatility. Is this run higher due to the macro? I don't know, brother. I mean, for macro, I don't need to see the higher run. Okay. No, there was no entry for the macro, and this macro entry is not valid as well because we had a news around 10, so this is not a valid macro entry. Guys, whoever is thinking market is going higher, you can go for buy, but I'm not thinking that market is going higher. Market should fall again and again. Okay, market should fall. See meta chart and see volume. What is meta chart? What is volume? I don't know. Nutkin just got home from school, so nothing from me today. Just logged on the charts. What class do you read in, brother? Nutkin? I mean, you told that school. That means what class do you read in? Will you look for shorts in the 15-minute fair value gaps? I don't want to see that market will reach to that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I don't want to see that. Okay, so I would love to see market will fall before reaching over there. So from 15 minutes set, I don't want to see market will reach to that 15 minutes. But if it reach over there, yeah, I will start to look for sell again. But I don't want to see market will reach over there. That's all. If it is closed by body perfectly, then I will start to look for a breaker block. Is this is the same one, right? You are talking about Meta. How many charts do you guys see? Okay, I'm really a noob. To be honest, I'm really a noob because I just watch one market and the dollar index. That's all I have seen. I just see. I'm really a noob. The buying to gap also Nvidia. Okay, it tapped to this fair value gap. Now it should expand higher. Dollar index should expand higher now, and it should fall now. Let's fall, bro. Let's fall. Let's fall. Buy, buy. I watched four charts. Oh man, seriously? Because I think we should be looking for buy. I'm not interested, brother, but you can. Ashari, okay? If you are looking for buy, you can go for that. I'm not looking for buy, so I'm not interested to look for to take any kind of buy. I'm keep telling this. I'm just not looking for anything. Totally agree, sir, but remember tech stocks contribute in Q, right? So yeah, it's true. So when these big tech stocks buy in Q runs with it, I mean only. It can, but how do you know? I mean, my question is right now Meta is buying, so it is going higher. How do you know that Meta is going to sell? It started to go to sell. I mean, this is the same market, right? I mean, like here, the price is printing, over there, the price is printing as well. So, how do you know that when yeah, they are going to start to sell? We took liquidity from 41525, 41525. Peter Henry, you have 28 charts. You are the wizard. Why I was calling myself the wizard? You are the wizard, man. 28 charts only. How many monitor do you have? 5 or 10? I guess 5 monitor you have. 28. That means in one monitor, if you use 3, that means 10. Near about 10 monitor. How many monitor do you have, brother? SMT with SPX. That's cool. I was joking, bro. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, but there is some people I saw, they have a lot of chart opened in front of them. Basically, they are most of them are forex trader, so they opened lot of chart in front of them. Miguel Jr. One screen for Instagram, one screen for PS5, one screen for NQ, and I am pretty sure it will be a sale soon. Okay. Oh, by the way, let me check the vote. I didn't just ask because of this 1 2 candle. Okay, this is just 2 candle. This is just 1 2 3 candle. So I didn't ask for those. I asked for whole day run. Okay, so you can see after opening the market, we just passed near about 1 hour. Just 1 hour. We passed 1 hour only and just got a little run. I didn't ask for that run. I wanted to know in a longer term where market will go. That was my question. Okay, so let me check actually the votes. I got 104 votes and 63% of the people are short, 37 are long. Okay, let's see. Again, maybe some of you took the buy from that fair value gap. They are already profitable. I don't know if anyone took that buy, but if you took that buy, maybe you are profitable. I am not against you, brother. All I told you that I'm interested to look for sell. So far, I didn't see any setup. This is not a valid entry. The reason is we had a news. I told you beforehand it's gonna be just a gamble. I would love to see what is going to happen. That's all, nothing else. I took just one contract entry. If it hit me, I'll be happy. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be take a small loss. That's all. I'm not interested to look for buy. I will wait for sell. If I get any opportunity to take sell, I will go for that. If I don't get it, I will do nothing. But I'm not looking for buy. Okay. Thanks for all to voted over there. And yeah, so I'm going to close the poll. Let's see. So far 62% people are short, 38% of the people are long. Now I'm with that 62% of people. I'm sorry, but we will see. Low of 1016? No, it's not valid. There's no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Yeah, Peter, thanks for confirming that. That's not valid, bro. Yeah, thank you. Take partial if you are in profit. Absolutely. If anyone is in profit, just take the partial, brother. All the tech stocks are buyback, so this push came on NQ. Okay. 17448, 17448. So from here, that's the 50% of that opening gap. I didn't know that. We will see, brother. Okay. I like to see 830 act as a 930 open because it was the one that had the news watching for short which it okay. Glenn, you are also looking for short. Now if you don't get any opportunity to take short, don't blame me later. Okay, I'm just kidding, Glenn. I'm just kidding, brother. If you look daily and weekly, this market going to hell down. This is I see retracement as T2. Yeah, Dio, I am also seeing retracement. Okay, just seeing the retracement, nothing else. I can be wrong. If I'm wrong, then I'm not going to take any entry. That's all. I'm gonna miss every kind of buy run. That's all, brother. I keep telling this because later you don't come to me and blame me. I don't want to be blamed. Okay, 40 points on MVDA. Boom. Congratulations, brother. Dollar's very heavy right now. Let me check. No, it's not very heavy. It just came to this BPR area to the constant encroachment exactly. If it was very heavy, then it could go through this BPR, that fair value gap. It could go through that fair value gap, but it didn't do that. It's just trading the constant encroachment of that BPR. So we will see if it expand higher or not. How do you mark standard deviation on breaker blocks? I explained that one day, and this high, sorry, low, high, lower, low. Okay, low, high, lower, low. I actually go for that area, this area, the highest up close body close candle to the middle leg, and the lowest down close body close candle. That's two line. Then I extend it toward here, how far it can reach. So let me mark it one more time. There, like this way. Take buy, take buy, take buy. I'm not interested to take buy. Sorry. When you will be interested to take buy? If I see market closed above this new day opening up, then I will change my bias. Otherwise, I'm not gonna take buy. Even there is no buying opportunity as well. Even if I wanted to take buy, there was no buying opportunity. So market has taken the liquidity, little liquidity over there. Market structure shift, yeah, I got it, but market didn't trade the fair value gap. So even the order block also not to be traded. Little difficult to trade. I want to see this 15-minute candle will close at the level of the constant encroachment or below the constant encroachment. That's all I want to see. It left 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I would love to see this candle will close at the level of the constant encroachment or below the constant encroachment. That's all I want to see. Hello, MD man pigeons. Do you have any rules for the RTA opening gap? Do you use it in your trading? I use it until 10. The opening gap, I use it until 10. After 10, I don't see any importance of that opening gap. So in between 10, there is an intention, price has an intention to trade the 50% lower quadrant, upper quadrant for retracement. Okay, so until 10 a.m. After 10 a.m. I have no use to that opening gap, no use. Let's see how it close. I really would love to see it will close at the level of the consonant crossment or below the consonant crossment. It left 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, it has to stop out that area. Okay, thank you. Makes sense to use it as well. Okay, brother. Okay, at the same time, let me check if it hit me. Okay, 5498. I just need two more people to hit 5500. What is happening right now? Nothing is happening. 1 minute left. I want to see the next candle. I mean, not the next candle. This candle will close at the level of this consonant crossment or below this consonant crossment of that 15 minute parallel. That's all I want to see. This candle. Come on, guys. I can subscribe from my other account as well. But yeah, no, I don't want that, brother. Hello, bro. Thanks for that, man. But really, I don't want that. I just need new people, not the subscriber. I need new people. Shorts got ramped. What does it mean, brother? GJ Sports? I want to see this candle will close at the level of this consonant crossment or below this consonant crossment. That's all. Because this is the last candle of the 15-minute candle, okay? So, yeah, thank you. It closed just below this consonant crossment over here. That's a good sign. I will remove this little window after hitting 5500. Okay, just one more subscriber I need. Okay. Yeah, I am saying same. You didn't read my whole message. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, brother. Come on, guys. I can subscribe from my other accounts as well, but I wish you would get new subscribers. Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah, thanks for understanding, man. Okay, give me the congratulations for 5500. Thank you, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you, man. Thanks for boom. Thank you, Preet. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, Dio. Ahmed Mustafa. Thank you, brother. Peter. Thank you, man. Miguel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thanks to those guys who actually subscribed. Okay, the great thanks. They deserve the great thanks. Nope, 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 nope. Boom goes to last man. Yeah, boom goes to last man. I don't know who is the last man, but whoever he is, I love you, man. I missed it. I thought that I will just put at least one contract, but I missed it. Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes I will miss it. It's true. Yeah, I'll just see it how it goes. Welcome, Justus. Why welcome? Congo bro. Thank you, Noob Gaming. Thank you, man. The last penguin standing. Oh man, that wasn't a good. I mean, my decision was just little late. Oh, it was a nice setup. I just missed it. Whatever, no problem. I will try to catch it again when it will be below this travel cap. Then I will try to catch it again. I took it. Mustafa, I just take 1 second late to made my decision. Just 1 second to made my decision. Why it dropped from that area? You should ask the market. Why you drop from there? How dare you to drop from there? I'm just kidding, brother. It is dropping from the 15-minute travel gap consonant crossment. Okay. Look at my left. Drop. It has dropped from the consonant crossment. But yeah, it will come back to give us the opportunity. It was turtle soup with inversion travel gap. What else do we have, brother? Tito Justice is new person here, so I was welcoming newcomer. Oh, okay, Cash. Thank you, brother. I didn't know that. Justice, I didn't see his comment as well. I'm sorry for that, brother. Justice, welcome to my channel, brother. I'm worrying about this thing, okay, for dollar index. Dollar index is extremely heavy. So when dollar index is heavy, this guy should not go, I mean, go lower. It should not go low because dollar index is extremely heavy. That's I'm little worried. What is going to happen? This guy is falling. He is also falling. No, I don't like it. It should go high. If dollar index is keep going lower, it should expand higher. This kind of situation, I'm confused. What should I do? I'm not happy to see DXY. I'm also not happy to see DXY. DXY is just, I'm bearish today, and you brother, I'm also bearish, Lucas. So far I'm bearish, but I will change my direction if I see market went through this new day opening gap. Then I will change my expectation. Until now I'm bearish. No, there was no setup, brother. I mean, there was a setup, market structure shift, but no fair value gap trade. Okay, but I love to push my button when I got the market structure shift. That time I love to push my button. Okay, so I was telling that I missed that thing. Now finally it has made the fair value, I mean the real setup over here. If you ask me, there is 99% possibility market will work over there. 99% possibility market will work until this sell side liquidity. I don't want to put it over there. I mean, I just put it over here. Finally. 99% possibility it will work. This last fair value reaction can reach send the price until the entry fair value gap or the breakaway gap. It can reach until any of that area. The reaction of that last fair value gap. it should work. If you ask me, this is the best setup in my opinion. If it doesn't work, market is absolutely volatile. I mean, sorry, very manipulative. And yeah, I I really don't want to trade in this type of market condition. The only reason is dollar index and this guy. This is the perfect setup in my opinion. It should not be broken. This is the perfect setup so far. Now I add it has reached to that breakaway gap. I would like to remove it. It should not be broken. This setup should work perfectly, absolutely perfectly. Why I pushed both those entry, this entry, just to fill the market. But yeah, in my opinion, it should work. If it doesn't work, that means the perfect setup doesn't work. You got the market structure shift, entry favorable gap, last favorable gap, market should fall. Stop loss, yeah, that should be okay. That should be okay. It can reach until that one. Guys, if it doesn't work, I will say just perfect setup didn't work. Previously any setup wasn't perfect. This is the perfect setup. And it should be work as a BPR. That means market will go through this BPR. It will tap to the constant crossment, it will fall again. Something like this. If this entry is not worked, if it failed, trust me man, a perfect setup just failed. That's all. Don't think that every setup is going to work perfectly. No, don't think like that way. But if it is failed, a perfect setup is going to be failed. If you ask me, 99% of the chance it should work. Now I put my stop loss over here, but I know I the above of this high I should have put it over there. But yeah, still I will just put over there because I don't want to take the huge risk. Over here still it's a huge risk. But yeah, I will see. It can reach until that rejection block. You see, this is the rejection block. There is nothing wrong to reach until that area. I'm happy to see that. But it should not go through that rejection block. If it went through the rejection block, I will get it stopped out. Okay. But yeah, I don't know it is going to work or not. But yeah, that's my expectation. My experience is telling me it should work. Okay. So it's up to you. I mean, that's my thinking just. Okay. I don't know it will tap to the high or consonant crossment then reverse or not. I don't know. And when it will reverse, it will tap to the low or consonant crossment. I don't know. Okay, but it should work like this way. Again, if it doesn't work, a perfect setup just doesn't work. Didn't work. That's all, brother. Okay, so I will see like that way. Now it should fall. It should go through this parallel gap. The dollar index is not aligned with my concept. Just the dollar index is not supporting me. I don't like that dollar index things. Except dollar index, everything was perfect. It should work. Yeah. Now it should go through this parallel gap and it should close below this low. See this low? It should close below that low. If you ask me, this is the perfect setup. Again, brother, it's the perfect setup for me. So far, after the morning session, this is the only setup which is perfect so far, I can say. So if it doesn't work, then I will take a perfect setup loss. That's all. And I will put my stop loss little lower now over here. Just cover that console encouragement. Okay. It should close below that line. I want to see it will close below that line. Again, this down close candle for dollar index is not supporting my idea. This is not supporting my idea. That's the only thing is not aligned with my analysis. Otherwise, everything is cool. Every single thing is cool. Okay. It should close below this line. This one I don't need anymore. Not a perfect order block. I would love to see it will support the price. It's not order block. Okay, this is the order block. So when market will close below this line, this is going to be the order block. The 50% of that order block is going to be the mean threshold. But I want to see this candle, specifically this candle. It should stop the price, send it back toward the sell side liquidity. This bull candle. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I really don't know. But in this type of situation, here some candle actually help the price to stop. Not always, but yeah, most of the time. Why it is consolidating? The reason is the macro. Okay, we are at in the macro time, 10:50 to 11:10 macro. So it can be consolidated for little more over here. But I would love to see it will start to consolidate when it will be here in the last parallel. Then it will consolidate. That's all I want to see. I would love to put my stop loss over here, just above that BPR. I know I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss, but I would love to put it over there. Okay. I love to work with my precision. If it hit me, I'll be happy to be hit. But this is my bad habit. I still profitable by that bad habit, so I keep doing that. So yeah, that's all, brother. Okay. I want to see this candle will close below that line. That's all I want to see. If it just take the liquidity, it's not good. Okay, it's not good at all. The body should close below that line. This is sign. Okay, if it can close below that line, that's a sign that I'm going much more lower. This last parallel gap is not going to hold the price. That is the sign. So if it doesn't happen, that doesn't mean that it's not going to work, but you will be low confident if it fail to close below that line. Okay, now here see this parallel gap. If it can make the parallel gap, still on the last parallel gap holding, so I can't remove it from my chart. If it can make a parallel gap, I would love to see that parallel gap will be unfilled. If it can make a parallel gap around that area, if it can. Okay, I don't know it's going to make it or not, but if it can. Here I'm just writing it down, but if it doesn't make the parallel gap, I will remove it. Okay, I would love to see this parabolic gap will be unfilled. If it is filled, low probability to reach here. If it unfilled, left it like that way unfilled, it will be awesome. Okay. At the same time, guys, I am not reading your comment because it's impossible for me to read your comment and the price all together. Okay, so it's nearly impossible for me. So I am not reading your comment. All I want to see, this parabolic gap will be unfilled. If it failed to trade that parabolic gap, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Even if it trade that parabolic gap little bit, no problem. But I would love to see it will fall. Okay, and it will left that parabolic gap unfilled. Okay, little portion of that parabolic gap will be unfilled. That's all I want to see. Here below this low, relatively equal lows, I put my first partial, and this is the extreme liquidity from 15-minute chart. That's my target. Okay, this last parabolic gap is holding the price so far, but it is working with the lower portion of that last parabolic gap. So it's a good news for me because market is working with the lower portion. But if one candle close below this last parabolic gap, that is kind of over confirmation that okay, this last parabolic gap is not going to hold the price. It's broken, something like that. But I'm still happy because market is just working with the lower portion of this last parabolic gap. It's good news. If market really would love to go higher, it should have worked with the higher portion of that last parabolic gap. It is working with the last lower portion, so it's some kind of what to say. I mean, I talk too much, right? I talk too much, I know. I want to see some kind of expansion, little expansion, but yeah, I want to see some expansion. I can't put my stop loss to the break even. The reason is we are in the macro time, so around the macro market can go higher to retest that order block one more time. So all I will do is I will just uh, I'll just minimize my loss. Okay, so I'll buy stop. I'll just put one contract to the break even, so if I get stopped out, I'll minimize my loss over here. Okay, because market left so far around the 11 a.m. again, brother, market can reach until that order block one more time to retest it. I mean, this is not order block, this is the low of that order block. See this candle low, that's the order block. But here I saw most of the time this candle actually hold the price. Okay, so I mark it. One candle should close below the last parabolic gap. That could be the best scenario for me. Okay, dollar index is going to close around the constant crosspoint of that BPR. That is also a good news. So maybe I'm right. Didn't close below this last parabolic gap yet. And it's not good. Okay, market just take the liquidity. It's not good at all. Let me mark this line. If this thing was happening below this low, I would close my trade already. I have already closed my trade. If this thing was happening below this low. Again, brother, I am not reading your comment. I'm sorry for that. I need to be stopped out first, then I will read your comment. Okay, I'm always wrong, so please, though I told you that this is the perfect setup, but still I can be wrong. Okay, so risk is yours. Risk is yours. And you can see, even if you take the entry over there, until here is 35 handle. For some people, this is their dream. 35 handle is their dream. Okay, because they called themselves they know the market structure by taking 5 handle, 10 handle, 15 handle, something like that. But here this is 35 handle. Okay, it's huge. In another day I have already closed my trade, but today is volatile day. I would love to hold it until the liquidity. This is all about the narrative. Everything depending why I took buy over there, I had to feel the market, and I'm sorry for that because I forgot. I should have put this thing to fill the market. I forgot that because when I do live trade, I pushed the paper money, so it is what it is. Okay, I don't know you guys believe me or not, but yeah, that's true, because there was nothing to take buy. Still, nobody closed below the last fair value cap yet, so it is holding the price. But it's good news that market is actually working the lower part of that last fair value. That's good news. I want to see it will go little lower, because 11 candle, if it close below here, the 11 candle will keep going lower. Otherwise 11 candle can go higher to retest that order block. That is not a good sign. I really wanted to see this is a bear candle, I mean black candle. But if it is a bull candle, it's not a good sign. Let's see, this is the 11 candle where it would love to go. If it left it like this way, this small portion, if it is unfilled, it's gonna hit over here, trust me. But if it is filled, if market filled that area, then it's gonna be a very difficult situation. In that case, I actually not gonna hold it here. I would love to put it, I will take the loss. Okay, I will take that loss. But yeah, perfect, hit my stop loss. You will see how it react or how far it can go. 1 minute, watch how it will go down. Boner candle is the upside now. What is that, guys? I don't know. But still, guys, yeah, I try to catch the hues. I told you, I mean, the day before yesterday, I love to take huge run instead of that like small run. But yeah, 35 handle was huge. Still, I mean, I tried to catch the whole run, but it's still okay. Booked a win 1400, not bad for the day. In addition to the live, absolutely, man. I mean, it's cool. It's not bad. I mean, 35 handle, it's not small. It's huge. But I tried to catch the huge run. That's why you see that I got a loss. As I told you, I just can't tell myself 10 handle, 15 handle after taking them. I know everything. Okay. Over here until here, that area, it worked perfectly. But last February Cup hold the price, send it back. I'm happy to see that. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. Shit happens. Where did you buy or sell? I didn't buy or sell. LA, I actually sold it here to that fair value gap. I sold to that fair value gap. There was 35 handle. Market gave me 35 5 handle. I didn't get it. I sold it over there. So from here to here, no, it's not 35 handle. It's 26 handle, I guess. Then why it was showing me that 35 handle? Yeah, I took sell here. 27 handle, not 35 handle. Sorry, it was 27 handle. Can you share your template for trading view? 17436 I sell. Congratulations, brother. The last travel cup is so bad. It's okay. But over here, I don't know, brother, you get it precised or not. It was perfectly precised. The only thing is this last fair will hold the price because of the macro market went higher one more time. Dollar index was not supporting me, but it's going to fall again. I'm not interested to hold my trade like this way, but yeah, it is what it is. If not today, brother, do you think they will take daily lows tomorrow? It should take the low tomorrow today. I mean, it should fall today. I'm not thinking that market is going higher. This is just a retracement. I believe so. Can you share your template? I mean, how to share that, brother? I don't know how to share that. Alex, I don't know, brother. $320 for me. Okay, re-enter 115 minute. I will give short. You shouldn't short over there. You shouldn't, brother. When you got some profit, you should have closed it. Okay, guys, now tell me. When I was just talking about here, when I told you the last travel cup, how it is going to react, did it reacted exactly the way I was expecting? And I told you that at around 11 a.m. it can retrace, and how far it will retrace, I don't know. It can retest the order block. As you can see, it came until the BPR area one more time to the low of that BPR area. Now it is falling again, and I believe that it will go lower again. But whatever. How was that, man? Hey, Ryan, you are at home already? Closed one contract and leaving another open. Still in profit. Oh, hello, bro. You took sell or you took buy, brother? Ryan, 211 watching. Please push your like button. What is that? Oh, I got 112 likes. That's cool. Tell me how was that, man? I don't care about the loss. It hit my stop loss or something like that. If I just close it, I just can continue to talk about the price, right? So I wanted to hold it until the extreme sell side liquidity so that I can explain the whole price action one after another. That was the entry, okay? Good, let's block some people. What happened? DXY reaping. Okay, so you told Ryan. Peter, how was that, man? I am short again. Ahmed Mustafa. That's good. ICT concepts which always show a buy and sell at the same time. No, it's not going to do that. Over here, I'm just seeing the sell only. No buy. I'm just seeing the sell. There is no buy for me. So I don't know why you are saying this. Over here, I just see the sell. No buy. Why it went until that area? Because of the macro. This is the macro from 10:50 to 11:10 macro. So around 11, you can see 11 candle. This candle went higher. It reached until that order block, worked with the min threshold of that order block, trade the BPR area one more time. It should fall again. The reaction from the last fair value gap. It should go lower now. It's not going to give you the buy and sell all the same time. Now dollar index is supporting my idea. It tapped to the consonant cosment. It came until the consonant cosment. Now it's a bullish run. It's cool. Let's see if it can fall or not. I was on short, brother. Whoever take the short over here, if you have any chance, close it to close. Please close it, okay? It's highly risky. Short right now. Highly risky, man. Whatever the MSS and Fabulica buy. MS Fabulica bullish breaker. Lord of the Stars, man. I don't know. I mean, I don't know you are a ICT trader or retail trader, brother. If you are a retail trader, then I just can't tell you anything, okay? But if you are ICT trader, then you know every market structure shift is not market structure shift. Some market structure shift is actually the liquidity taken. So you need the direction, you need the bias. to look for the market structure shift. Here, that was my market structure shift. Okay, this was my fair value gap, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Price reached until that rejection block, then went lower. And there is no bullish breaker for your kind information, Lord of the Stars. See to the wizard, no arguments. Thank you, Peter. Thank you. Ryan cries. Yeah, I will not read the price anymore. I will just see how it fall and take that sales and liquidity. Okay, I'm gonna just see that because I have already explained what can happen over here beforehand, one after another. I set you a challenge. Try not to change your bias for 10 minutes. Oh man, maybe you are new, brother. I even don't change my bias for one day. Okay, you were saying me this when market was going higher. I was looking for sell every single time. I was looking for sell, man. Here from here, I look for sell. It went higher. I don't give a shit because I'm just looking for sell, not buy. So even if market went higher, I am wrong. Market went higher. Take the buy side liquidity. It came here. I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna change my bias. I will only look for sell. I believe that market will fall. Okay. 1044 is bullish breaker. 1044. No, you're not right. It's not bullish breaker. Maybe it's a bullish breaker, but yeah, it's okay. You, I have been trading ICT 6 years. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm sorry, brother. Then I am wrong. I'm extremely sorry, brother. I'm gonna mark the bullish breaker for you. Okay. I'm gonna remove everything I have. I just would love to mark your breaker, bullish breaker. So as you are trading for 6 years, then this bullish breaker should send the price higher, right? So I'm gonna mark it. Your intention is this will happen. Market will go higher. Tap that breaker, it will go higher. Something like this, right? I mean, it doesn't need to reach that far. It maybe it will reach the just that highs. That's your expectation. If I am not wrong. Okay, brother. This I am not expecting. Okay, this is the guy, Lord of the Stars. He's a 6 years ICT trader. He's thinking like that. Okay, so that's why I marked it. Don't think that I am looking for that. I'm not looking for that. Okay, this is that guy is looking for. I just marked it. And that's okay, brother. No problem. We will see it. And my thinking is even if market went higher, it can reach until that 15-minute order block. That's my thinking. Okay. Even if it went higher, it can reach until that order block or to the mean threshold of that order block, then it will fall. Even if it went higher. Highs New York launch target. I didn't understand, brother. Is Tanya trading today? I don't know. Praise Lord of the Stars. Preach Lord of the Stars. No man, it can happen. Okay, I'm not. I mean, he's a ICT trader as well. So he can be right, okay, but yeah, I'm not looking for that. I am not interested to look for that. I'm only look for buy, sorry, sell, okay. So yeah, he can be right, there is nothing wrong. Okay, Tanya is not trading, she is gambling. What do you think? Oh, no, what do you say? I mean, she's streaming today, Ali. What's the 1033 CB refill? 1033 CB. 1033. Where is 1033? Okay, so you are talking about this. If you think that market will come here to complete that, yeah, it can happen. Here I agree with you, it can happen because you can see this is the 50% of that order block. This is the opening of that order block or the low of that order block. This is that area. Yeah, market can reach until that area. It can reach until that area. I agree with you. But if you look for the high, I'm not agree with you. I mean, I'm not interested to look for that. But we will see, okay? Definitely, I don't want to see market will go above that line, that high. See this high? I don't want to see market will go above that high because this is the origin high of that setup. Market went give you the market structure sheet, fair value gap, market went lower. This is the origin of that setup. I don't want to see market will go above that high. See this black line? I don't want to see market will go above that high. That's all my primarily interest. Good luck for rest of week, brother. Good work. Thank you, Lord of the Stars, man. Kevin, but we did little gambling today before the news. Need the psychological challenge. Kevin, I also did it, man. I mean, I also pushed my order before the news. I told that I'm just gambling over here. So this law is valid for shifting market structure. Maybe some of you will see this is market structure shift, but no, it's not market structure shift to me. Okay, I'm not seeing this as my market structure shift. This law is not valid for shifting market structure. All I would love to mark this PPR area here. Okay, as Lord has gone already, I guess. So I would love to explain the way I was thinking. I'm gonna explain it one more time again. Okay. So what happened? What did we see? Market came here to that last parabola from 1 minute chart. Then around 11 a.m. market went higher. Trade around this area. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna remove this breaker block because that is not breaker block at all. This is not breaker block. In my opinion, this is not breaker block. Maybe it's breaker block, but I don't think so. This is the breaker block. Okay, this is my opinion, only my opinion. Don't make it controversy. In my opinion, this is not breaker block. Whatever. Market reached until that area. Why it has reached to that area? It has traded that order block, brother. Why that is the order block? Because if you see this run, you will mark the market structure shift over here. See, this is the market structure shift, second market structure shift. Price trade, this is the highest up close body close candle. This is your order block. Here, market has retested that order block around that area. Why? How it retested over there? From the 1 minute last parallel gap. Remember, there was the 1 minute last parallel gap. By using the macro, market went higher to retest the order block. Now it's going through this BPR and coming at least to take these lows. Finally, that sells a liquidity. Okay, this is my analysis, my expectation, the my trading. Okay, so as this guy, I mean, there was a guy who actually trading ICT 6 years. So I was just marking the things he was outlining. Okay, that's why I marked them. But here, this is my expectation. This is my idea. Okay, can we take any sell over here? High, low, higher, high. See this low? If you ask me, this is my breaker. If you ask me, this is my breaker. I don't know, did I mark the low or not? I guess this is the low. This is my breaker, okay? The bearish breaker. That means market will go, it's not going to break this breaker anymore. Why? High, low, higher high. Why it is the breaker? After trading the order block, this is the unfilled area. When it is filled, you will start to look for high and higher high. Between to the high and higher high, the lowest up close body close candle is going to be your breaker. So this breaker should not be broken, and market should reach at least the sell side liquidity. If there is any sell side liquidity, market is going to take that sell side liquidity. That is my expectation, my analysis. Okay, all I want to see, market will break to this BPR. That's all I want to see. 30k profit my ass. This is gambling. What did you say, brother? 30k? I didn't get 30k, man. I just took 1k. Okay, don't blame me anything. MF, perfect analysis, brother. Thank you, MF. Kevin B. That's why this channel is different. He's not selling anything. Even inner circle trader himself is gonna be selling a book. Okay, something happened, brother. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I don't know. If I say something bad, I'm sorry for that. Okay, I was just outlining him. This is the breaker block that should not be broken. For example, I'm not telling take this entry because this is highly risky market. Just look at this dollar index. Dollar index is not supporting my idea. Dollar index is not going lower, it's not going higher. It is just consolidating into this area. That is why please don't take this entry. Okay, just over here until this area. So this is my expectation. I want to see market will go through this BPR. So far, see the rejection from the constant crossband, it's not also good, very bad. Okay, but yeah, still I'm thinking like that way. I would love to see market will work like that way. It's not a trading signal or please go for that sell. No, please don't go for that sell, highly risky. I don't want you to take this sell. But yeah, if it is your analysis, you can go for that. But if you ask me, no, I'm not interested to take this sell. But it should work like that way. I mean, my head is spinning, to be honest. I am reading the price from the London session, I guess. Then whole the morning, from 5, I guess, from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Near about 7 hours, I'm just reading the price. Now my head is spinning, and when I actually talk with you guys, my head spin more and more. But here this breaker block should hold the price. Let me check it, did I mark the breaker block correct way or not. Sorry. Yeah, so this is the correct breaker block, and yeah, this is my full plan. Now I put my target profit over here. That doesn't mean market has to reach over there. You can see it's near about 84 handle. It doesn't need to reach until that area. Okay, it doesn't need to reach until that area. If you just can, this is just for study. Okay, just for study. Like over here below this low, 30 handle, near about 30 handle, until that low 30 handle. Is it enough to be profitable? Just one contract, 30 handle, $600. Just one contract, 30 handle, $600. I don't know about the Mohawk. Brother, he already did about order block. If you watch and take notes, you will know what's order block. Check T2 video. Okay. Please don't take entry over here. That's my request to all of you. Okay. I would love to read the price, and if you ask me, to be honest, now my head is not working. To be honest, my head is not working. It's just spinning, man. I was pretty much good over here. If you see, that is a profitable entry. That is also a profitable entry. Here I took a small loss, but then profitable entry. This one is bullshit. And now my head is not working. I can't focus price anymore. I should not outline anything right now. And that's my request to all of you guys. Please don't take any entry depending on my analysis right now. I just can't focus anything right now. But overall, so far I know market is bearish, so market should fall. That's all. I'm requesting, okay? Please don't take any entry depending on my analysis right now. I'm requesting you guys. Here I told that this is the perfect setup. It should work. I told that, okay, beforehand. So even if you take that entry, I don't regret because that was a perfect entry. Here, this is not a perfect entry. I am just outlining it from my experience. This breaker block should hold the price. I put my stop loss in an area that is extremely tight, very tight, because I don't have any other option, because you can see 18 handle is still 18 handle. So tight stop loss, everything is, and the dollar index. Just give me 2 minutes, okay? I need to drink some water. I mean, I can't even open my eyes. I don't know. Suddenly, I can't open my eyes as well. I'm just coming back, okay? না আম্মা মাথা ব্যথা করতেছে হঠাৎ করে। জানি না, চোখ তাকায় থাকতে কষ্ট হচ্ছে। আমি বন্ধ করে দেবো। হ্যাঁ। Guys, I don't know. Suddenly my head is just spinning and lot of headache. Okay, I can't open my eyes as well. Uh, I would love to close my session. I'm sorry, and it didn't work as well. I don't know what is happening right now. Where market will go? But if I'm okay, then maybe I will come back in PM session. If not okay, then I would love to close my session for today. Okay. See, আমিও ভাত খাবো মা। হ, আচ্ছা আমি আসতেছি। আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা মা। Okay, guys. Thank you, man, and see you tomorrow. Okay. Uh, I'm sorry for everything. Okay. I'm sorry if I use any rude word. I wasn't okay. That's why I used the rude word maybe. So thanks to all. I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.